Staycation near Moat Airport kung naghahanap ka para sa iyong video na ito. Tara, yung mga kanoos kung naghahanap kayo ng staycation na good for 4 packs para sa ito ang Balay Sela. Yes, malapit lang siya sa Moat Airport kaya if planning kayo maghanap, ito na yun. They have this cozy unit na self-check-in kaya no hassle. Pagpasok dito, located ang kitchen area sa kanan na may basic appliances na rin like ref, microwave oven, stove at rice cooker kaya pwede ka magluto. May dining wares kaya no need na rin magdala. May pa-free coffee pa nga sila. Ito naman yung comfort room na may hot and cold shower, toilet and bidet, sink at may provided toiletries, towels, and sleepers na rin sila for you. This is their dining area kung saan pwede kumain. Living room na may sofa bed, malaking smart TV for Netflix and chill, video okay with their portable microphone, and yes, may mga board games, card games, and toys for kids na rin. And this is their bedroom naman na super comfy based sa experience ko ha. Meron silang free wifi, very child-friendly, dahil may baby chair and latang outlets may cover. May food park kung saan pwede mag-food trip sa baba, may Alphamart din, at may pay parking. Ito yung rate sila for your reference ha. O ano pa hinihintay nyo? Tara na at mag-book sa Balay Sela sa Pasay City. Let's go!